Hi, this is Tad Hussey with Kiss Organics, and today I'm doing an unboxing and review of the new garden bed from Engrow. Right off the bat, assembling this unit on camera was smooth and straightforward, but what really makes this bed special is the engineering hidden beneath the surface, so let's dive into it. Most raised beds or planters force your soil to sit flat on a solid base or inside a closed bottom, which easily leads to waterlogging, soil compaction, and root rot from a lack of oxygen. Engrow solves this problem with their patented True Soil technology. Inside the bed, an elevated soil platform holds your growing media up, creating an open air chamber underneath called the eco chamber. Combined with integrated eco tubing, fresh air naturally circulates into the chamber, oxygenating the underside of the soil to keep it constantly aerobic. Now, why does oxygen in the soil matter so much? A lot of growers forget that while plant leaves breathe in carbon dioxide, roots actually breathe in oxygen. Roots require oxygen for cellular respiration. It's how they create the ATP energy needed to actively pump water and nutrients up into the plant. On top of that, living soil relies on oxygen-loving aerobic biology. High oxygen levels fuel beneficial microbes that break down organic matter into bioavailable plant food, while preventing anaerobic conditions where root rot pathogens thrive. To take that biological engine to the next level, I installed the optional Engrow fan. The fan pressurizes that lower eco chamber, forcing fresh oxygen upward through the base of the soil. As root tips grow toward that high oxygen zone, they air prune naturally. Instead of spiraling around the bottom and becoming root bound, the plant responds by branching out into a hyperdense fibrous root system. From a usability standpoint, they thought through all the details. It's equipped with lockable caster wheels so you can easily roll it to catch the sun and lock it in place. And at the bottom, there's a dedicated drain port that connects to a standard garden hose. This lets you route excess runoff cleanly away or catch that nutrient-rich leachate in a watering can to pour right back into the bed. I filled the bed's 3 cubic foot capacity with Kiss Organics living soil and planted up a bunch of flowers. Combining living soil biology with active oxygen delivery creates an incredible ecosystem, and the plants have thrived since my initial planting. I can easily envision this bed being used for an herb garden right outside the kitchen door, a flower or veggie setup on an apartment balcony, or since the height is adjustable to 22, 31, or 40 inches, growing inside a standard 2x4 grow tent. If you want to pick one up, the Engrow garden bed is available right now on the Kiss Organics website with free shipping, or go to engrow.ag to read more about the company and their garden beds. And for larger setups, keep an eye out because their commercial 4x4 beds will hopefully be launching later this year. Check out the link in my description to grab yours, and thanks for listening.